System execution path interrupted by the Dwmcore.dll. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. To start our troubleshooting for Dwmcore module, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This DLL file is the core library for the Windows Desktop Window Manager. It is responsible for the actual composition of the desktop image, managing how all windows are drawn and layered on the display for the OS. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. Since the Dwmcore module DLL belongs to the Windows System Core, manual replacement is not recommended. Instead, run sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt to scan for corruption and restore your system's protected components. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Dwmcore module file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Protect your digital life by ignoring unofficial download links for the Dwmcore module DLL that could lead to identity theft or the loss of important files. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. Review system security and background process optimization concepts using the maintenance kit linked below for the Dwmcore module. To support our technical team and receive updates on the latest Dwmcore module resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.